Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series all about prepping, but this isn't the scary doom and gloom kind. Nope, we're focusing on the positive, practical, and budget-friendly reasons why prepping is actually empowering, fun, and life-enhancing. Whether you're new to prepping or just curious, by the end of this video, you'll see why taking a few small steps can boost your confidence, save money, reduce stress, and make life easier in so many ways. Let's dive in. First up, reason 1. Prepping builds confidence. Even small steps, like having a few extra meals in the pantry or a basic supply of essentials, give you a sense of calm and readiness. It's about freedom, not fear. You start trusting yourself more because you know you can handle everyday challenges and little disruptions. You're not reacting to life, you're responding to it, and that's an amazing feeling. Reason 2. Prepping saves money. This one is a game changer. Buying essentials gradually or when they're on sale prevents those frantic last-minute shopping trips where you always end up overspending. Think about it. Grabbing an extra can of beans or a box of pasta each time you shop costs pennies, but it saves you dollars down the road. Over time, these little habits add up to big savings, and the money you save can go toward other priorities, like a vacation or paying down debt. Reason 3. Prepping reduces everyday stress. Life gets busy, right? Unexpected things happen. The car breaks down, you have to work late, or maybe you just feel too tired to cook. Having even a small stockpile of essentials gives you breathing room. Instead of panicking about what to make for dinner or running to the store in a rush, you can just reach into your pantry. Suddenly, those minor oh no moments feel totally manageable instead of stressful. Next, reason 4. Prepping encourages healthy habits. When you start planning your meals, organizing your pantry, and thinking ahead, you naturally start making better choices. You're less likely to grab expensive, unhealthy takeout when you have all the ingredients for a quick, delicious meal at home. You also learn to cook from scratch, reduce food waste, and become more mindful of what you eat. Your day-to-day life just gets a little healthier and smoother. Reason 5 is a big one. Prepping promotes sustainability. This might surprise you, but it's true. By using your resources wisely, you naturally reduce waste. You're more likely to use what you have. You make fewer trips to the store, which saves gas, and you tend to buy in bulk, which often means less packaging. Small steps like these can have a big impact on the planet while still making life easier for yourself. It's a win-win. Reason 6. Prepping helps you care for your loved ones. Being prepared isn't just about you. It's about community. Having extra meals, supplies, or even small comforts means you can support friends, family, or neighbors when they need it. A friend is sick and can't cook, you can drop off a meal. A neighbor ran out of a key ingredient? You've got them covered. Even tiny prep steps can make a big difference in someone else's day and strengthen your relationships. On to reason 7. Prepping builds practical life skills. From cooking and organizing to learning simple fixes around the house, prepping helps you become more capable and resourceful. You learn how to store food properly, how to make a great meal out of simple ingredients, and maybe even how to filter water or fix a leaky faucet. These are skills you can use every single day, not just in a major emergency. Reason 8. Prepping makes you more organized. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a well-organized space? When you start prepping, you have to know what you have, where it is, and what to use first. This process naturally reduces clutter in your pantry and your home, which makes your entire living space feel calmer. And organization isn't just practical, it feels amazing. Reason 9. Prepping helps you handle life's minor interruptions easily. We all have those weeks where everything seems to go wrong. You're super busy at work, a kid gets sick, or you just plain forgot to pick up something at the store. With a little prep, these little hiccups become no big deal. They're just minor bumps in the road, because you've already got what you need, right when you need it. It's like giving your future self a gift. And finally, reason 10. Prepping just feels good. Seriously. There's nothing like the peace of mind, pride, and quiet confidence that comes from knowing you're prepared. Prepping isn't about fear, it's about living intentionally, confidently, and joyfully. It's about taking control of the small things so you can worry less and live more. So there you have it, 10 positive, empowering reasons to start prepping today. And the best part? You can do it step by step, on a budget, without feeling overwhelmed. Confidence, money saving, stress reduction, life skills, organization, and even more peace of mind, prepping really does it all. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can catch the rest of the series. We've got lots of tips and easy prepping ideas coming your way. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, prepping isn't about preparing for the worst. It's about enjoying life with more confidence, control, and ease. Start small, keep it positive, and see how it changes your everyday life. See you in the next video.